Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try to compare two model kits. They should both be the same size, 124, and they should both have the same model, but they are from different manufacturers. So I want to see how different or how similar they are, especially in quality and the layout, the number of pieces, and so on. This is not a sponsored video, so just because I was curious, I bought both kits to the same model, and I'm planning to build them both to see if they are actually the same or they are similar, or there is maybe a huge difference. So basically it's the Model T Roadster 1913 Ford, and one is the well-known Revell kit. So I guess to many of the modelers this is definitely not a new manufacturer, or probably not even a new kit. And the other one, it is ICM. Basically it's the same Model T 1913 Roadster. It's the same car, same scale, but it's a different manufacturer. This is a Ukrainian manufacturer, it says it here somewhere. Yep. So it's made in Ukraine by ICM Holding. The other one, Revell, of course, Revell GmbH. So basically it's interesting because it's a German company, but it's made in Ukraine. So for this reason, there is a good possibility that it is the exact same kit. So let's find out. Now, this is brand new, just got it in yesterday, so I'm gonna open this up and see the well-known Revell. So what have we got here? We have a nice colored manual. Decal set for the gold stripes. And instructions. Okay, and let's see about the kit itself. So it has, come on, focus, yes. It has the kit, well, not really nice edges on the tires. On the plastics, the quality is much better. And here as well, on the plastics, the actual quality, it's quite good. So let's just have a very quick, brief look at the ICM, which obviously it's a different company, but also produced in Ukraine. This I got in a few days ago. I already had a quick peek. It has a box in a box, and then where does it open? There we go. So it's a slightly different packaging, a slightly different manual, some ads about paints. They have paints as well, acrylic paints. So in the future I plan to try them out, but at the moment they are not in stock yet. The manual is more basic. It's not a nice colored manual, but content, it's quite similar. It's okay, nice, explanatory. Now it doesn't have the decals for the sides with the gold stripes. And there's the end product. Not as nicely colored, but it's okay. And now, one package with everything in it. The tires look to come off the exact same mold, as well as most of the plastics. I kind of have a feeling that the factory, it's gonna be the same. Now this one has, don't know if you see it, it's a little bit shiny. This one has the ICM branding on the molds, on the plastics. It's quite nice, fine edges. So it is actually a decent kit. But I'm gonna pull out the Revell again, just to put them side by side. Especially I wanna see if I can find, hold on. Yeah, there's another one in Revell. Come on, hurry up. Okay, so the only difference is that they left the wheels. Oh, look at that. Okay, so here's the surprise. Revell ICM. Revell ICM. So basically what that means, that the packaging from Revell contains the exact same parts as the ICM kit. And there you go as well. ICM and ICM all over. So literally this means that except the manual, which is different, ICM and Revell, and of course the packaging, the box, the content of the two kits, it's absolutely identical. So when I bought the ICM, I bought it because it was new in the local hobby store, and it was new to me. I was curious to try it out. And then, because it's the same model and I wanted to build it, I also wanted to try how different or how similar it is. So basically I bought them both, just to be able to make a proper comparison. And I had to do this comparing. And obviously, even to my surprise, because I didn't check the Revell box before, they are the exact same manufacturer and the same products with the same molds in a different box. So if you plan to buy the Revell and you can find it in ICM, maybe for a better price, because in my case it was some difference, like 10-15% difference, in some shops even more, then don't even hesitate, because you will get the exact same product. So thanks for watching and see you on the build on the next one. Goodbye.